Welcome back to Autobike Pro, your trusted source for the latest in two-wheeler innovations. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350, a motorcycle that blends classic design with modern performance. Let's delve into what makes this model stand out in the urban cruiser segment. Design and aesthetics, classic meets contemporary. The 2025 Hunter 350 retains its retro-inspired styling, featuring a teardrop fuel tank, round headlamp, and minimalist bodywork. Its compact dimensions and upright riding posture make it ideal for navigating city streets. The motorcycle is available in multiple variants, including the Retro, Dapper, and Rebel editions, each offering unique color schemes and finishes to cater to diverse rider preferences. Performance and engine specs. At the heart of the Hunter 350 lies a 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine that delivers 20.2 horsepower at 6,100 rpm and 27 Nm of torque at 4,000 rpm. This powerplant is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, providing smooth acceleration and a top speed of approximately 114 km per hour. The engine's refined performance ensures a responsive and enjoyable ride in urban environments. Ride and handling. Built on Royal Enfield's J platform, the Hunter 350 offers a balanced and agile riding experience. Its low seat height of 800 mm and lightweight chassis contribute to easy maneuverability. The motorcycle features telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers, calibrated to handle typical city road conditions without compromising on comfort or stability. Features and technology. The Hunter 350 comes equipped with a semi-digital instrument cluster that provides essential information at a glance. Safety is enhanced with a dual-channel ABS system, ensuring controlled braking. The motorcycle's 13-liter fuel tank offers a practical range, and its fuel efficiency is rated at approximately 36.2 km per liter, making it economical for daily commuting. Pricing and availability. In Pakistan, the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is available in 3 variants. Factory, PKR 481,000, estimated. Dapper, PKR 544,300, estimated. Rebel, PKR 560,500, estimated. These competitive price points position the Hunter 350 as an accessible option for riders seeking a stylish and capable urban cruiser. Conclusion: a modern classic for the urban rider. The 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 successfully combines classic aesthetics with modern performance and features. Its agile handling, efficient engine, and distinctive design make it a compelling choice for riders navigating the urban landscape. Thank you for tuning in to Autobike Pro. If you found this overview insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in automotive innovation.